And you still have the same features where you can go in and record. And, the best part of, recording is 3, 2, 1. That as you're recording, you can say, you can point with your arrow and you can say, now look at my trapezoid. It has this many sides. Okay. Or read what they wrote. The dog is running. And so they can explain their stuff. It is now ongoing, so you can pause and keep going just like it used to be. Now, in the pictures, the best thing about pictures now it's going to be dark, it's okay, is you cannot take just one picture. You can take up to 25 pictures and collage it on the same page. Okay? So before you would used to take pictures, use a collaging app, and then bring it back into Seesaw. But now you can take pictures, multiple pictures, and put them all on the same page. Okay. So if they went out on a hunt looking for text features in books, I know last year we had put one per post, but now they could take a bunch of pictures of different text features and then label them and then record and point and explain each text feature as they go through it. On the caption, you can now add a voice caption. We used to just be able to add a typed caption in. So that is very, very exciting. In their drawing, if they're working on a desktop, there's going to be some features where it's going to give them options to autocorrect some of their shapes that they're drawing. I'm on a Mac, so it doesn't have that feature, but I just wanted to show that to you. Okay, and then as always, I just click done. Oh, I'm going to go ahead and exit my recording because I didn't want to finish it. And pick their name. Check. And it's all set. It is posted to that student and it's ready to go. Activities. Activities are the same. You can go into activities, browse the activity library, and each day there's so many activities loaded to the library. You can go to my library if you are looking for the ones you used last year. They're going to stay in there. Let's see. Let's do second grade. What should we do? Second grade math. That sounds like fun. And here, just pick whatever activity you like. Okay. Student place value practice. I'm going to share it to my classroom. Now, once you've shared it and it's in your classroom, I'm going to view it in my class. You can edit this activity. All right. So if there's anything in the instructions you want to change, you can edit that. Okay. If the template is something you want to change, you can also edit the template. If you want to attach a different, say you loved their instructions and you just want a different template, then you can add your own template. If you want to delete out the instructions that they recorded, then you're just going to exit out and then you can record your own. Okay. Let's see. Now, if you had folders or wanted to connect it to a skill, which I'll show you guys later, then you can change that in your activity. Okay. So if a student comes on and they want to add, on activities, they put their name first. So here it automatically gives them their template. They click on view instructions and then they can listen.
First, tap the add button. Then Think of a number. Tap the drawing button or the label button to write your number in the first box. Next, write your number in each of the boxes using the drawing button.
Okay, so I can pause there. And then I can go in here and write my number. Okay, pretty easy. And then, of course, they hit check when they're done. Now, the best thing about activities for you versus them going in and creating their own thing is that you can go into your activities on your side. It's thinking. And you can click right here in this gray area, and it's going to open up, and you'll see all your students' responses. So when I was in kindergarten, and my students had assigned Seesaw activities, they would know to click into gray and look at their name, and they know which activity they didn't do because their name is still grayed out. And so that's how I kept up with them, knowing which activities they needed to complete. So it's very, very exciting. Probably the biggest excitement is the backgrounds, shapes, the stamps, and being able to put more than one picture in a post. So, all right, that's all for Seesaw today. I'll see you guys later.